My name is H. Aditya. My father name is Srinivas. My mother name is Lavanya. Today's my character is mobile phone. There are advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. We can talk with anyone, anywhere, from anywhere. We can call in emergency. We can search unknown data. Disadvantages: using too much mobile phone is bad to our health. We can lose our valuable time. I cause isolation.